Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find your ID on Discord. So it's pretty simple, so follow the step. But first is you want to go to your Discord setting. So click on the setting icon at the bottom of your Discord, and once you're over here, scroll all the way down and click on advanced. Once you're in advanced, make sure this developer mode is on, alright? Once you turn on developer mode, it's pretty simple. Just go into any server, any random server, alright? And whatever message you wrote, just like, it's going to show you a profile. So for an example, I write a message over here. My profile picture is going to be displayed right beside the message, right? So what I can do is just right click on my profile and click on copy user ID. Once I do that, my user ID will be copied. Now I can just paste it over here. As you guys can see, now it shows my user ID over here. And that is basically how you guys can find user ID on Discord. And you can do this for anybody's user ID. Let me just show you a random user ID of someone, alright? So let's say I want to see user ID of this guy. I can just right click on his name and then just click on copy user ID and paste it anywhere, and his user ID is going to be shown. So for an example over here. That's how you guys can find user ID of any person or even yours in Discord. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.